especially welcome the new students who have joined this year. You might have your experience with your earlier school, and we teachers and as a principal and your friends on behalf, I promise that this school will be memorable for you, and new friends you will get here, and good teachers will make your everything wonders. I also committed from my side as a principal that this school will make your future, and for that you need to follow daily what your teachers tell you, what your teachers ask to complete, because teachers are role model and change our life. In my life, from preschool, Kokila madam, till the last university professor, Dr. Mehta, all the teachers have wonders in my life and gave the thoughts, experience, the vision, the philosophy of life, and make me a global citizen. To be kind and humble is the most necessity of a good character. So we need to make here a comprehensive growth in our overall personality along with good academics. So we will do your best possible development, and you need to cooperate and grow in your life. Wish you all good luck. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone, a very warm welcome to each and everyone present here. Respected Principal Sir, staff members and my dear student. Welcome back to TLC Gurukul School. This beautiful day has arrived. I am sure you all have been eagerly waiting for this day. Catching up with your friends and meeting your teachers are just a couple of reasons we cannot avoid coming back to school. It is indeed a great pleasure seeing you all gathered here for the morning assembly after what feels like a light year. Let us start our new year at school with hopes and dreams that no matter how limited we might be, we will do our best to achieve what we call dreams. All the best for your new year. Thank you.
वीरा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम Very good morning to you all. The thought for the day is yesterday is the past, tomorrow is the future, but today is a gift. That's why we called it a present. What has gone is your past. What had not come is your future. What you have is today, and that is a present. Use it wisely. Use each and every second of your time. Make something better out of it. And today is your first day. So I wish you all a very warm welcome and make some point today that this thing I will learn, and for one whole year I'll work on that thing which is weaker or where I am weak, and I'll make this thing or that work better. Thank you.
गहरे पानी पैठ मैं बपूरा बूढ़न डरा रहा किनारे बैठ। मैंने ये जो बोला है आप जान ही गए होंगे कि मैं किसके बारे में बोल रही हूँ, है ना? जी हाँ, हमारे हिंदी साहित्य के कवि श्री कबीर जी, और वो संत भी थे जिसकी कल जन्म जयंती मनाई गई है। तो आज उसके ज्ञान के मोती मैं आपके साथ भी शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। तो आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल सर, यहाँ उपस्थित शिक्षकगण एवं विद्यार्थी मित्रों, कल यानी कि 4 जून को कबीर जी की जन्म जयंती मनाई गई थी। तो आज मैं आप सबके सामने कबीरदास जी के बारे में कुछ शब्द बोलना चाहती हूँ। आशा करती हूँ कि कबीरदास जी भारतीय इतिहास के एक अनमोल रत्नों में से एक है। हर वर्ष ज्येष्ठ मास के शुक्ल पक्ष की पूर्णिमा को कबीरदास जयंती के रूप में मनाया जाता है। कबीर जी जन्म से हिंदू थे और उनकी परवरिश एक मुस्लिम परिवार में हुई थी, लेकिन उन्होंने उन दोनों जो धर्म थे उसमें जो आडंबर चल रहे थे, यानी कि धर्म के नाम पर जो अंधश्रद्धा है ये सब कुछ फैला हुआ था, उसका उसने डटकर सामना किया था। उन चीजों को वो कभी नहीं मानते थे।